Hello friends, day 43 and a very short day again today. Still not feeling right, but I actually did something sensible today. I went to the pharmacy on my way out of Hawes and spoke to the pharmacist there, and he agreed it probably was heat and that the best thing to do was take it easy and drink lots of water. So that's what I've been doing, and I've had lots of rests today, but of course being the Pennine Way, it does mean that the first thing you do out of Hawes is climb 6.5 miles. But there we go, I had plenty of rest on the way up. And on one of those rests, I met Brendan again. I last met him in Emily Bronte country, and he seems to walk the Pennine Way at the drop of a hat and had told me about the amazing time that he walked across Australia and back, towing a trailer with his water and his food. So that really is something. So I'm planning to take it easy tomorrow again, because, as my friend Nigel would say, it's not a race. So see you on the trail. I know I use the words stunning and awesome a lot in these videos, but there really is no other way to describe what you can see up on the Pennine Way. It really is absolutely amazing. My room with a view tonight, I need to actually stand on a little bank to see the view. Because of the wind, I've decided that I'm going to try and shelter myself, and amazingly this little bank cuts out most of the wind. There's very little water around at the moment. I'd actually have stopped a little earlier today if I could have found some.